One of the most significant and cool inventions in human history is photography. It not only preserves the beauty of nature and captures historical moments, but also preserves memories of the past for future generations. But sometimes, coincidentally, our camera may capture a once-in-a-lifetime moment in nature. These moments range from the bizarre to the beautiful, the hilarious to the tragic, and everything in between. In this video, we'll take a look at videos that feature a true once-in-a-lifetime moment. A clip is being recorded of giant icebergs reaching the shore with sea waves. Locals are so mesmerized by this that they're capturing this moment because they know that this is indeed a once-in-a-lifetime moment. In this video, a man records a pretty strong hailstorm outside his house. The hailstorm seems to be so aggressive, not to mention the size of the ice hail. It is insane. It seems like the hail could break a window or put a dent in the car. A man finds perfectly sphere-shaped ice balls in a water slide, and these look surreal. Nature shows its creativity in many unique ways. A man captures a once-in-a-lifetime moment. In this video, it can be seen that there's a perfectly lit fire under a waterfall, which is truly miraculous. Take a look at how the fire is perfectly fine, despite all the heavy rain. These men are recording themselves as they play with the sand on the beach. But what is strange, yet amazing, is that the sand changes its color to a vibrant blue, as if some kind of blue flashlight is coming from within. The vibrant blue light is also seen in the sea waves. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Sometimes, nature can be aggressive as well. Look at this lightning, and check out how fast it is. Here's a slower version for you to see this beautiful yet terrifying scene of nature. In this clip, water in a cold region seems to freeze within seconds. It's shockingly unbelievable. A woman records an amazing, yet terrifying act of nature. In this video, it can be seen that a huge piece of glacier falls into the sea. You can see the huge vibrations in the sea because of it. This clip caught on camera is evidence that sometimes luck is all you need. A man records a video of a plane flying in the sky in terrible weather, when, out of the blue, lightning strikes in the sky almost close to the plane. It was indeed a narrow escape.
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo agarraste. Lo agarré, cabal.
A group of people records a volcano eruption's smoke, and it is rare to be caught on camera. You can see how much smoke the eruption produces. Volcanoes are dangerous, but at least these people got a cool video. A man records a huge tide of sea waves approaching the ground. People are perplexed as the water tides look scary. This clip looks straight out of heaven. The person recorded a clip of sea tides beautifully touching the mountains and their surroundings as if clouds had come to the ground. It looks like a painting, but it's reality. A huge flood easily breaks a bridge as if it were made of sticks and takes it away with it. The locals look terrified of the disaster. If you thought only lightning and floods were terrifying, look at this. A man captures a video of a giant sinkhole filled with water that successfully pulls a huge piece of land within. Another great reason to be scared of sinkholes. The next video captured shows a strong windstorm that is so powerful that it is easily breaking pieces of trees and throwing them here and there. What's crazy is that the windstorm also breaks a wooden door that is in its way, and this looks terrifying. This video shows a rather strange occurrence in nature. The clouds passing by the mountains are seen to release some sort of smoke over them, which looks like a UFO is about to land on Earth. If water sinkholes weren't enough to terrify you, look at this one on the ground. This giant sinkhole takes all the cars over the ground within it, and the next one also shows how dangerous sinkholes can be. This next clip is strange but hilarious at the same time. It can be seen that it is only raining on one car and not the other ones. Guess that owner was having a bad day. Nature never fails to shock. A person records a beautiful waterfall, but what makes it special is that as the water is falling down, a strange rainbow beam can be seen surrounding the water. It's truly surreal. Talk about nature being surreal? The next clip shows it perfectly. Clouds in the sky form a shape that almost looks like a huge tide of sea waves. Though it is beautiful to look at, it might scare the locals, as they might think that a flood is about to occur. A bunch of people are doing some sort of exercise over a mountain when, all of a sudden, the moon makes a cameo in their practice. Truly something that would happen once in a lifetime. The next clip shows a cave in which thousands of glow-in-the-dark bugs can be seen. These bugs release a vibrant blue light, which makes the cave look like something from a science fiction movie. A man records a giant iceberg getting totally submerged in the sea. It is beautifully terrifying, so look at it. A man records a giant tornado swirling around his area when, all of a sudden, lightning strikes within the tornado, making it blue for a second.
Holy cow, look at that. Oh my God.
A video is being recorded by the locals of a strange black land of sliding residue taking up their roads. This video will show you how powerful earthquakes can be. Look how strong it is, and how it is terrifying the locals. This video shows a perfectly looking workshop being destroyed within seconds by a natural disaster. That's how powerful nature can be. A man records a video of a waterfall releasing a strange kind of smoke, which kinda looks spooky to look at. This clip shows that sometimes nature can throw rocks at you, literally. it is raining rocks, and I feel bad for the cars that got to suffer. There is a giant sinkhole in the sea being recorded, and it looks surreal, yet terrifying. Sinkholes are so terrifying, and if there's one in the sea, I'll skip swimming forever. If you liked today's content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. What was your favourite moment from the video? Let us know in the comments below.